mechanical engineering, there is a wide scope. That means he can go in IT industry, he can go in core industry, as well as he is going under the government sector also. But as compared to the computer engineering, we see that after computer engineering, after completion of computer engineering, we are going only in IT industry. So that is the main advantage here in mechanical engineering. After mechanical engineering, he can go either in core sector, either he go in IT sector, or he may be go in government sector. And as we know that after 2024 there are the many vacancy coming under the MPSC, which is under the Maharashtra government. So obviously for that purpose that mechanical engineering also required. So under that MPSC RTO exam is there, Mahajanko exam, different exams comes under that, comes for the mechanical engineering under the MPSC, and according to that students are prepared.
Our staff is so supportive. Our HOD also is so supportive. Earlier, before 12, I was very shy. I can't even talk to other students. But after when I joined this PVPIT college, my shyness totally dissolves.